Hello guys, this is Razer 50 again, and as I promised last time, today's chapter is about belt, sharpening on the belt, and all my knowledge about the belt. So, generally speaking, we have a belt for sharpening. This is a professional belt. Size of this belt is about 6 centimeters and close to 2.5 of inch. On the top we have a leather. On the bottom of this belt we have a fabric, heavy fabric. That's professional belt which you should use to have a success during the sharpening on the belt. On the eBay you can buy even this kind of belts. You can use them too. Size is less than 2 inches, close to 4 centimeters. I didn't say you can't use this belt, this one. You can. Actually, in the past, many years ago, my belt in army, which I used, was a leather belt. I had a size like this, and I used for a long time. But if I'm talking about professional size of belt, is size I told you on the beginning. Now, leather. The people like leather horse, cow, beef, buffalo. That's the best. And the belt should be flexible. Don't use belt with the cracks or belt which is not flexible and not soft on the top. If you have a belt with the cracks or dry, very dry, you can destroy your blade. Now, I'm sitting now, but if you like to use the belt, level approximately where you try to hook up belt to the very strong piece of the wall, frame or something, because your belt during the sharpening must be straight as much as you can. So to keep the belt straight, you should push the belt. If your hook on the wall is weak, you have a problem. You can get injury from your own razor. So strong hook, level about the belly button. I'm gonna show you picture in the movie later. So belly button level and hook strongly to the wall. Okay. Now, important, how you turning your razor. You're going this side, you're turning this, and going back. You're going this, turning back. Important, the edge of the blade from both sides must be exactly pushed to the belt from both sides. If you're going like this, you're gonna destroy your razor. You're just pushing down, holding belt straight as you can, and moving. Okay, you're moving. I'm just watching camera, I'm not watching my belt because I know what I'm doing after 50 years. But important thing is how to change the blade during the moving, the razor blade during the moving on the belt. You're working with your fingers. You're not working in your wrist here. No. If you're going this stuff, you're doing wrong. See? This is a wrong. This is a wrong. My hand here is not moving. See? My fingers working. My one finger is here. And I'm holding handle here. And I'm just rotating. And see my hand. Here is not working like that. My fingers doing job. Look at this. This is a just small movement. Of course, you can avoid any movement. This is just small movement, but not like this. Okay? So, once again. See? My fingers turning the razor. My hand is not working like that. Important. And I show you picture maybe after a small video of, because this belt is not tied too strong, I'm just showing for the movie. Now, why the belt must be straight and tight? When you're sharpening your razor, that's your razor, on the stone, this is your stone, okay? And this is your razor. So the angle from the top to the bottom of the razor is still the same, because stone is stone. It's a straight, strong stone. Now, if you have a belt, you have a situation like this. Okay? So if your belt is not tight enough, what you have? You have a bow. And what are you doing? You're just destroying your edge. You're not sharpening. Try to put your belt as strong as you can. Of course, don't exaggerate. Don't kill yourself and don't break the wall. Just try to keep as much as you can straight. Of course, during the shaving, your belt is not a stone. Will be working, but not working like this. This is a bad. Plus, in this moment, I'm gonna tell you guys, if somebody have a good idea, I'm just joking, and using some kind of special stuff like pastes, they say 5,000 grain, whatever, any paste on the belt, and you're doing this with this paste, your beautiful razor is dead. I am not using any paste on my belts. The belt must be nice, soft, and don't avoid to make your belt just super dry. What I am doing, I'm using just moisturize. This is aftershave moisturizer, which I am using for my skin after shaving. And before of the sharpening of my belt, I'm using just few drops of this moisturizer components, which I'm using as a cream on my face. That's it. That's it. Because the belt is a kind of, it is a skin, is alive and before and still alive somehow, and breathing. If breathing and your climate is too dry, the belt getting to be hurt and getting cracks. If you have a belt with any small cracks, see by carefully. Leave this belt. This is not for you anymore. Okay. So I hope that's all about the belts today. So we know what we are doing. Let me see. Yeah, and maybe on the end you can see again my my fingers how they're turning the blade to the both sides. Okay, that's good for now, guys. And thank you for watching. God bless you all, and I hope you get some information from me. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.